computer issues, but I've got that all figured out now, or at least I hope I got that all figured out now. And I finally am at the point that I can actually start making videos again. And I know, guys, it's been a long time. It really sucks. I am not happy about it myself, but I am back to do more, and hopefully not going anywhere again for a long time. Alright, so today, obviously we're back in Visual Studios 2013, and today we're going to be, I'm going to be showing you how to use the progress bar. So we're just going to hop into this by going to File, and New Project. You guys know how to do this. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it, YouTube Tut. Okay, whatever. Go away. Damn it. I'll just name it Tut. But you can name it whatever you want. You don't have to put it the same name as me. It doesn't matter. And you can put this in a pre-existing project. You don't have to make a new one, obviously. Alright, so here we are. We got a little form. I'm gonna change the size of it. And if I accidentally make any spelling mistakes or anything like that, it's actually because my microphone, it's kind of like over my keyboard a little bit. It's kind of hard to see it, so I kind of have to type without having to look at the keyboard, and I'm not that great at typing yet, so yeah, just let me off there. Okay, so for this example, I'm gonna need 4 buttons. Alright, now we're gonna copy and paste those. Now I have got 4 buttons. Alright, I'm just gonna line them up nicely. That'll work. Alright, so now we're gonna move the buttons down. Right here. I'm actually make them bigger just for the fun of it. Okay, I'm gonna rename these buttons. I'm gonna name this one 25%. I'm gonna name this one 50%. Can you guess what I'm gonna name this one? 75%. And finally 100. 100%. Alright, now we got that. Now obviously we're gonna need a progress bar. There it is. I'll just place the default size and I'll change it. Alright, so obviously this is not how it's gonna look for you. I'm sure you guys can use this in a lot better way. Oops. I'm just doing a very ugly example pretty much. Alright, so here's our progress bar. Here's our basic little setup with the buttons. And now we are gonna make it so whenever you click this button, I'm sure you guys have already guessed this, but when you click the 25%, it's going to put the progress bar to 25%, and if you click the 75, it'll put it to 75, and so on for all the buttons. Alright, so we're going to do that by double clicking the first button. And we're going to do progress. Oh, I think okay. I don't know what happened there. Progress bar 1 dot value equals, and then 25. You don't have to put the percent, don't worry about it, it's fine. Now, for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to copy and paste this because it's the same for every single one except for the 25. But I would highly recommend you do not copy and paste it, because it would be better if you actually get the feel for typing it and actually type it out. The only reason why I'm doing it, just so I don't have to waste a bunch of time in the video and waste your guys' time. Alright, so there we go. We got it. Now, we don't got no errors, you can see it. It's all perfect. And now we can go ahead and start our application and see if this works. Alright, so here is our little program, and if you click 25%, look at that, just like magic, it's at 25%. You click 50, it's at 50, 75, 75, and 100. Now you can go back down, and it'll go back down like that, but it won't do the little loading thing, it'll just jump down there. So that's pretty cool. We got the progress bar to work. Now, in this spot right here, this is 100% useless. Like, this ain't going to be used for anything. But in some... Oops, I'm not going to do that. In some cases, you can actually... Like, say if you're just making a small program, say you just want to move, like... say 5 files. In the code, you can actually just... I'll just go down here and do an example. Okay. say, I'm not gonna actually type all the code, I'll probably just do something small, but, say you got, like, a file, so, file 1, now that's not actually the code to move it, obviously, and then you could just do the progress bar, then say, set to 25, then you got file 2, and then after that, put it to, the progress bar to 50, then file 4, put it to 75, then file, like, 5, put it to 100, or whatever, like, set up however you want, and, it'll just load it, and it'll work, pretty much. I know that's kind of like a bad example just to say it like that, and if you don't understand what I mean there, it's perfectly fine, don't worry about it. And, I'll probably do more tutorials on this, and you'll probably understand it more later. But yeah, I know this was a kind of short video. I just wanted to quickly make this video, and I'm probably gonna upload again tomorrow or the next day because I want to get a lot of videos out because I've been gone for so long, and it really sucks that I had been gone for that long. But I'm back, and I'm hoping there won't be any more problems. So I would really appreciate it, guys, if you could go ahead and like maybe leave a like if this video helped you, and if it